This is the active coffee cleaning pod for single cup machines. And if your coffee has been looking like this, with granules of coffee in it and yellowed, then you need the active coffee cleaning pods. Just one pod to put into the system and it makes it brand new again. I can walk you through the steps. Standard descaling only cleans the internal tanks. What you're going to do is put the pod into the machine, a single cup served machine. These active pods actually clean the brew chamber and the exit needle where all those old oils and residues get stuck. Once you pop the pod in and have a large full tank of water, which I'm going to need to do, you just run a large brew cycle, the largest that you have on in the machine, and let the foam do the work. It's compatible with Keurig 1.0, 2.0, and even the mini models. My model is the slim model. Once you've brewed through the active cleaning pod, you take it out and brew again with nothing in there at all. Dump it out, and as you can see the difference, the before on the left and the after on the right. The before had the small granules of coffee in it with a yellow tint, and the after is after it's all cleaned with the active coffee cleaning pod. It looks just much better. Fragrance-free and eco-friendly too.